Excited about paying your monthly EMI? If it is an yes, please don't watch this video. And if it is a no, please watch this video until the end. Okay, so the idea is this a concept called the rat race, which is infamous in the Western world, wherein we also know, but we do not realize about it. Okay, so I wanted to discuss about this and create a little awareness about how to escape, how to take few steps to escape from this rat races. Okay, I was discussing with one of my colleague a few days back, one Mr. Arun, and during the course of my discussion with him, he was just telling he was so frustrated and so stressed. He said just like this, Shyam, I'm literally done with the software profession. I'm done with the teams, with the clients. It's like really stressing me out. I'm not even able to enjoy my work every day. Then instantly I told him, you have to do one thing, Arun. You have to find something that you really love to do. And he was so quick to answer, I love to set my restaurant business. Okay, but I'm not able to run out of this job. You know why? I've taken a loan which is worth 45 lakhs rupees after my marriage. I wanted to set up a home to show my parents, to show my family, especially my wife's family, my friends, that I am this. Okay, the attitude of comparison. Okay, that came up, and I had to set up this. That's why I'm not able to run out of the job as well. I just said him immediately, Arun, you need to think about this and take care of this. That's what I told him. And then I had to move out of this conversation. Few years back, I was having a discussion with my colleagues and my friends. I'm really done. I'm not getting that motivation to do my job. My friend instantly told, I thought he was just giving me greatest secret of life. He told me one thing, which is very quickly. The thing was this: take a personal loan, Shyam. You will automatically get committed to your work. You will get committed to your work. And if you want to be overcommitted to your work and to your organization, you got to do one thing. You got to marry, and then you have to take a home loan, at least 30-35 lakh. Automatically, you will find yourself much more committed or surrendered to the job and to your organizations. Okay, but whatever he said was a joke. That is a thing that our society, 50 to 70% of the society, the people here are following day in and day out. The mindset of this: you don't do a job because of you're passionate about. You are just doing it for the sake because you have taken a big loans or some of the commitments, financial commitments. Okay, the concept is this: the rat race. Rat race starts when you are born and you are put into a school. The day it starts when your parents and your teachers tell you that you got to take the first rank or the best ranks there, and that starts the comparison. You have to study like him. You have to study like her. Okay, naturally the society is built in such a way that you are bringing the ranking system. It's okay, and you start comparing yourself, your capabilities, your innate potential with someone else. And then you go to the college, there is a campus selection, again the comparison starts there, and then you get a job, you work there, and you start comparing there. Unnecessary competition also happens. Okay, and the cycle then goes to your marriage, then your kids, and then the whole cycle. Those who have entered into the rat race, it is very tough to get out of it. It is very tough to get out of it. And people who have escaped the rat race is famous leaders, sportsmen, excellent sportsmen, and greatest entrepreneurs. Okay, few a very 10% of the crowd would have escaped out of this with a lot of conscious efforts. They would have taken a lot of setbacks as well in their life, but 70 to 80% of the crowd are always running the rat race, which is the 9 to 6 job, and you stretch, and you don't end until your life ends. And the most important thing that happens in this rat race is just due to these two things. Number one is your comparison. You always compare yourself with someone else. And number two, is this attitude of unnecessary competition. I don't say competition is wrong, but unnecessary competing with each and every little thing. This comparison and competitiveness is like a DNA, two strands of a DNA, it's something like that. I remember a famous quote which was told, an idea which was shared by Gautama Buddha. It's this: you don't have to compare or you don't have to compete yourself with someone else. What you have to do is, you just have to improve yourself. How you were as a person yesterday, how you are today, and how you're gonna be tomorrow. Okay? You just have to keep yourself improving each and every day, rather competing with others, rather comparing yourself with others. Because I think Buddha was very clear when he said this, because he told this fact: we are all unique creatures with innate potential and unbelievable, limitless potential. That's what he said. And the most important thing that happens in this rat race is, if you want to escape out of the rat race, the most important thing that you gotta do is to slowly move out of those financial commitments. Okay, that's the most important strand, I would say. And if you can move out of those financial commitments, obviously you would definitely start looking into other opportunities that are available. And I have few solutions as a part of this to escape or to take few steps to move out of this rat races. Number one, try to create another source of income where you are passionate about. Like, I may be a content creator, I may be a photographer, or you can teach someone a tutorial, or maybe you are a fitness professional or some other. There are a lot of professions available today, and you can start creating a source of income through that. I will not say that you are gonna reap great source of income out of it today, but maybe after a few years, maybe after 10 years, I'm sure that you will be slowly out of the rat race. Number two, please watch your expenses, control your expenses, don't create unnecessary expenses. Number three is never test the depth of the river with two legs. Okay, I remember what Warren Buffett said: do not put all the eggs in the same basket. You got to divide it, to divide your risk, or else you will be completely in a very risky position. Okay, so start understanding, taking calculated risks. Okay, and then do your financial plannings. Never do unnecessary. Number four is never do unnecessary expenses. Unnecessary expenses or buying unnecessary products. What it will lead you is, for one fine day you will have to cost the most necessary things that you have. Okay, so please see where does your expenses go and try to control it, and do not spend unnecessarily on unnecessary things as well. Please watch all those things, and I'm sure if you take few of those financial plans, I'm sure one day you will be slowly out of this rat race. And if you really love this video, please subscribe my channel. Be the change with Shyam. Thank you.